So where do the items come from? Like, where do I get the items to sell on eBay?
Okay, what's up guys? This is Mark Augustine again. And in this video, Crystal, I did a video with Crystal on the beach like a couple hours ago. And we are driving back home. And in this video, she's going to ask me some follow-up questions to some of the questions she had about eBay dropshipping and so on. So Crystal, what was that? What was the question?
Where do I source the items to sell on eBay?
Okay, so first we're talking about dropshipping, right? So there are some people that dropship from AliExpress, there's some people that dropship from Walmart, there's some people that dropship from Home Depot, Amazon. When I dropshipped, over the years things have changed. So a few years ago, when I first started to dropship on eBay, I was mainly doing Walmart. Like I would say 90% Walmart and 10% Home Depot. For the past 2 years, we've been using Amazon as the actual supplier. So we are selling items on eBay that are coming from Amazon. That's just a more recent way that I personally have been doing it, but that doesn't mean that other people are still doing AliExpress. A couple of people are doing Walmart and so on.
Could I do Temu or TikTok shop?
You can. I've seen people talk about using Temu as a supplier for eBay dropshipping because the shipping on Temu is so unreliable and the quality of the products are also a little bit unreliable. I chose not to go down that road of testing them, but my assumption is that you should be able to use, I mean, you could use anyone that ships to the US really quickly. Theoretically, you could use them as a supplier, but we haven't had any long-term success using Temu as a supplier. TikTok shops, I've had some success selling on TikTok shops, but TikTok shop is not, there are few suppliers on TikTok shops. It's not like, over the years using like Amazon and so on as sellers, there are people using Amazon to sell on TikTok shops. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So, and to use them at a TikTok shop as a supplier is kind of, I wouldn't suggest you even consider that. The Temu is a good idea, but TikTok shop, no. Anything else, Crystal?
How was the beach?
The beach was very relaxing.
What beach did you go to?
I haven't. It's one beach after Maracas Bay. I don't know the name of the beach.
Did you say it was called Tyrico?
Right. We went to Tyrico Bay.
Okay.
I forgot the name. Okay guys, so like the video, subscribe, comment in the comment section if you have any additional questions. Definitely subscribe. I'll be trying to post. I'm getting back. Eventually my goal is to get back to posting one video a day, but right now I'm just trying to get to 3 or 4 videos a week. So like, subscribe, and have a good one. Check out Ecom Sniper in the description. Check out the communities that we have in the description. Goodbye.